So you are Logan Birdsong?
That's probably me. I'm always talking.
Or you? What are we doing today, Mr. Walker? It's an announcement?
If we still get together, I would say if the court needs to settle on the trial docket, I know it.
Yeah, we need to do that, I
Yeah,
guess.
that's-
It's 2 years.
Yeah,
If we work it out before then, I think I've got an offer in mind, but I've got to talk to him about it. And it's something we need to discuss.
Okay,
So
do we need a review on this soon or just let it
just put it
roll
on the
over?
trial docket because
I
there's
think
no
that-
guarantee they're going to like what I
I
offer.
think that's going to be.
Sir?
I said there's no guarantee they'll like what I offer them, but yeah.
I think that'll be.
All right, well, then it's set for trial.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you. And I've got two others, right? Juan Figueroa and Gerardo Galvin. Gerardo, are you Gerardo Galvin? Figueroa? Come on up. There are two cases and Figueroa.
And this is our first setting on this. I figured it's something to give up.
And two cases are called 25 CR 730 and 731. Both are similarly charged with the crime of second-degree felony assault on a peace officer. You are Juan Jesus Figueroa. Is that right? That's right.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Walker is here representing you. Each of these are second-degree felonies, which carry with it, if convicted, up to 20 years in prison in each case. Do you understand, sir?
So
Okay. And the announcement today is,
I'm going to get with Mr. Ham. I have a feeling we'll be able to get these.
what are you asking for? What did we said to? Is 4 weeks going to be enough?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. All right. 4 weeks, get a resetting?
Thank you,
Thank you. Yes, sir.
We're setting it for that.
Announcement, yeah. And Gerardo Galvin is not here
Yeah,
yet.
I don't, he may be out, but he won't make it ship up 9:00.
Okay, let me know if he's there. So,
Thank you.
yes, sir. Langston, you've
Yes,
got
sir. I've got 3 on
a gaggle of cases, buddy.
Yes,
I
sir.
think that's what they call more than one criminal case, a gaggle.
Again, everybody's here too, Judge.
Claiborne Livings.
He is here. So that's
You almost hesitated on
No, that's
that
the wrong-
after you said everybody's here.
that's what I'm.
He is, yeah, Mr. Livings
That's gonna be a plea. But Judge, I think he's
today.
yeah, that's a plea. I'll sign him up now. But look, I think you skipped the 9 like that. That's the 9:30.
Yeah, we jumped to the 9:30. I was looking at Judge Walker's matters.
Let me
and
get
taking
that.
care of this stuff. Yeah.
Let me on that 9.
Okay. All right.
So he's a plea. I'm signing him up now.
Okay. I've got Spencer Gyron.
Yes, sir. What? Yes.
25 CR 733. Failing to comply with sex offender registration duties. This is initial appearance. You are Spencer Gyron. Am I pronouncing that right? Geron? All right, this is a third-degree felony if convicted, which carries with it up to 10 years in prison, serious. And Mr. Adams is representing you. What do you want to do today?
Your Honor, he's gonna be in my office tomorrow. I just want to move it to an announcement.
It is done. It'll be set for announcement. Please get a resetting from that lady. Thank you. Daquan Pugh.
He's here too. I talked to him this morning. Mr. P.
25 CR 1471, Daquan Pugh.
I talked with
No answer in the courtroom.
I talked with him outside.
I'm going to ask the bailiff to call outside. He may be a little shy today.
Yeah, I know he's here. I talked to him myself.
There you go.
He should. I'm hoping he outside still. See? Yeah, don't forget, come tomorrow, 4 o'clock. He should be walking on the
Man,
No, I figure out. Oh, but I think I know he was here. I'm positive. But
what'd you say to him?
I didn't think he was leaving.
Yeah, he's gone. He took off.
Well,
All right,
hey,
well, if he saunters in, let me know, but there is no answer for the name call here in the courtroom for DeQuan Pugh, who was to be here at 9 o'clock on this initial docket. There is no answer to the name DeQuan Pugh being called into the hall. Defendant has failed to appear. A warrant shall be issued for his arrest for failure to appear as required. His bond is,
$100,000.
my goodness.
And Judge, if he does come in, we do have enough, he needs to redo the indigent paperwork.
No
The
problem.
defendant has to do that. Okay. The bond is revoked. It is doubled to $200,000. Plus, he must have a GPS device and home confinement due to his failure to appear. All right, those are the findings and rulings. Hakeem Richard,
He's here.
you said that fast.
I hope he didn't leave either.
Were they driving together? He and Lance?
I didn't tell him to leave.
He and DeQuan?
Hakeem,
Hakeem
he might be outside.
Richard? No answer in the courtroom. I asked the bailiff to call into the hall for Hakeem Richard.
I know. I know if he's here because he. I had talked to him when I talked to Mr. Poulard.
He's got these two priors. That bumps it up just to a third degree. Is that right?
Correct, Your Honor.
Oh. All right. There's no answer
No,
to the name called here in the courtroom. No
Right
answer.
before I talked to Mr. Poulard, I talked to Mr. Yeah, that's Poulard right there. I talked to Mr. Jeffrey. He was outside.
He's not there now.
I don't know. I have no
Is
idea.
this a Twilight Zone episode we're seeing? They're evaporating?
Hey, I
That's-
hope they come back. I hope.
All right. Well, there's no answer to the name called here in the courtroom and no answer to the name called in the hallway. Defendant has failed to appear. Warrant shall be issued for his arrest and his bond was,
6,500.
and it is doubled to $13,000. Plus he must have a GPS device as a condition of his bond.
I'll let you know if he come back. Just let me sign up Mr. Livings now. I can, because that's the 9:30 document. I can
Is there
start.
anybody else who's hidden here that you're representing?
Well, I had 1 out of 3 show up.
Yes.
Hey,
Well, it's a 333 batting average. That's pretty good for the majors.
that's pretty good for the majors. All right, let me get with Mr. Livings.
Braden North.
Oh.
Braden North in cause number 25 CR 1189 is called. And there's no answer to that name call.
Don't know.
Yes, everybody's riding together in the same slow car. I asked the bailiff to call into the hall for Braden North. He's coming a long way from Hallisville.
That's a good one.
Famous movie was filmed in Hallisville.
What movie?
The Alamo. There is no answer to that name being called into the hallway. No answer to the name called here in the courtroom. Braden Terrell North has failed to appear. A warrant shall be issued for his arrest. His bond is revoked.
$5,000.
His $5,000 bond is revoked. It is but doubled to $10,000. Plus, he must have a GPS device as a condition of his bond. since we're having a hard time finding you. Anybody ready to go forward on 9:30 early? Defense, any defense attorneys want to try their luck?
I'm ready, but actually, I'm not ready. I need to lift your hand.
But at least you're here. That's important.
Yes.
You broke a long streak we had there for a while. All right, short recess. Short recess, 10 minutes. Thank you, everybody. Are you ready? Come on in. Come on up.
Thank you.
Defendant's name is
Gerardo Galvin.
you need to get fingerprinted and sworn
This is
in.
a plea.
Yes.
Okay, yes, I need to.
Go see her real quickly, sir. Thank you very much.
Raise your right hand for me. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? Okay, think of your right hand, friend.
I think she speaks quicker than I do.
No, 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 no.
You know, I wouldn't want to be taking that.
Well, she broke a speed limit just then.
There's some issue right now.
Come forward, sir. And we now call 23 CR 1089, the state of Texas versus Gerardo Galvin. You are Mr. Galvin?
Right, I don't know if the paperwork, was it done on today's day?
Yes.
This is a plea, Judge.
Oh, it's not a plea.
No,
Oh, this you were saying you were working on a plea for us. What are we going to do on this?
Well,
It's an announcement.
Judge, I spoke with defense counsel. He stated that he had made an agreement with the prior prosecutor that I'm not aware of, so I need to check into
Okay.
that and see
Okay,
if
how much time? 3 weeks gonna be good enough, you think, to figure it out?
that's perfect on my
What
part.
do you want? You tell me, what do you?
more like about 30 minutes, but,
Oh, that's all you need?
well, I don't want to do that to her. I just, this case is getting old. And it's one that needs to. I'm trying to, I mean, which one?
If we can hold,
Yeah.
I need to check,
Yeah,
I need to check
Get
with
back
my,
with me.
yes, sir.
I'm
If
here.
it's okay.
I'll be
Yeah, thank you.
playing this venue all day. Okay. All right, short recess. We'll be back in a few minutes. Thank you.
I sent it to you. It's ready.
Okay, come on up. Who's your guy?
Livings, Claiborne. We sent it. What did I say?
Claiborne Livings.
So.
Claiborne? Mr. Livings?
In front of me.
Okay.
We sent it to.
You just need to stand in front of this lady. She's going to swear you in. Thank you.
Mr. Livings, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm that the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
This is a lesser including class B misdemeanor.
The whole number too, okay? I know.
And it's warranted.
Flat right there on the box, don't
It's
roll it, okay?
warranted.
Yeah, should be good. Get a hold of it. Put you behind your table and just see in front of judge.
We now recall cause number 25 CR 1137, State of Texas versus Claiborne Livings, you or Mr. Livings. And you were present here with your attorney, Mr. Adams, and the state's attorney. Does the defendant waive a formal reading of this indictment and arraignment? Can we proceed in summary?
Yes, sir.
In summary, this indictment alleges that on or about August 7th, 2025, in Jefferson County, Texas, you committed the second-degree felony of burglary of a habitation. Do you understand what you are charged with in this indictment, sir? You have to speak out.
Yes, sir.
So we can hear. Okay. Okay, there's an agreement that's been reached where you're going to be pleading guilty to a lesser included offense of what?
Criminal trespass, Judge.
Yeah.
Okay, there's not a doubt that that's, I see assault, a lesser included assault is in here, but that's going to be,
Intentionally and knowingly enter a habitation without the consent of the owner. That is criminal trespass, Judge.
and that is Class B misdemeanor.
Correct, Judge.
Yes. Yeah.
What's the word on getting new pads?
No, I was just thinking about that this morning, Judge. I have not heard recently, so I will double check on that this afternoon.
These babies, you're right, and it doesn't show up on the pad until about 10 seconds after you've hit it. Which, all right, agreement has been reached by the parties where you would be prosecuted and you would move forward on a plea of guilty to the lesser included Class B misdemeanor of criminal trespassing, which carries with it up to 180 days in the county jail and a fine up to how much on a Class B?
2,000.
$2,000. Is this your understanding of the plan? And do you understand fully the punishment range you are facing here for this lesser included misdemeanor? Speak up so she can hear. Yes?
Yes.
How do you plead to this lesser included Class B misdemeanor, sir? Guilty or not guilty? Are you pleading guilty
Yeah.
voluntarily and because you are guilty?
Yes. Sir.
Show you what's marked as State's Exhibit 1. Did you sign that document voluntarily? Understand it? Discuss it with your attorney?
Yeah.
Are the contents all true and correct?
Yes, sir.
State's Exhibit 1 tendered into evidence
No objection.
and without objection admitted. Among other things, this states you are mentally competent to enter your guilty plea. It's freely and voluntarily made. You know what you've been charged with. The indictment's been wrote to you. You've read it. You were guilty of the crime charges and any lesser included offenses, and you were giving up your rights to a jury trial and the rights to the appearance, confrontation, cross-examination of witnesses, totally satisfied with the representation provided by your lawyer. All true, so help you God. State's Exhibit 1 is part of the record for all purposes. Pre-sentence report is waived here.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to follow this agreement, if nothing further to add, and find that Mr. Livings, you are mentally competent to enter this guilty plea. It is freely and voluntarily made. You know and appreciate the consequences of pleading guilty. There's sufficient evidence supporting your guilty plea from State's Exhibit 1 admitted in this hearing here to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. But we are going to defer any finding of guilt. How long can I place up to deferred on Class B misdemeanor?
Actually, Judge, I need to correct myself. It's a Class A misdemeanor because it's a habitation. And with any misdemeanor, the court has the authority to go up to 2 years.
All right, we're gonna have to backdate everything here and go back to this.
Sorry.
This is a Class A misdemeanor, not a Class B misdemeanor. That's got to be corrected. Which carries with it up to 1 year in the county jail and a fine up to $4,000 can be assessed. Do you understand that punishment range, sir?
Yes, sir.
That's what you're facing, not the Class B that we talked about. Do you still insist on making your plea of guilty in this case based upon what the court has stated to you?
Yes, sir.
All right. Then I'm going to follow this agreement and find the defendant has pleaded guilty again. voluntarily, knowingly, intelligently to this class A misdemeanor, lesser included offensive criminal trespass. Even though there's enough evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt from this hearing, the court is going to instead defer any finding of guilt and place you on deferred or unadjudicated probation for 2 years. There will be terms and conditions of probation, which are normal and customary for this type of offense. You will have no contact with the victim in this case. So I don't know what the underlying circumstances
I would
here.
agree that that's appropriate, Judge.
How did you know this person?
It was my sister's best friend's mom's boyfriend.
I'd have to have a roadmap to follow that one. That's 4 degrees of distance from a direct relationship, though. Nonetheless, is all that being fixed
Yeah, yes, sir.
responsibly and legally?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Make sure you follow these terms and conditions of probation. If you fail, your probation could be revoked. You could then be found guilty and sentenced up to 1 year in the county jail. Okay. Please see this lady. Thank you very much.
Sorry about the mistake, Judge.
It's okay. Judge, Mr. Walker, you got.
Judge.
You don't want to go ahead. Don't go ahead.
I think y'all can work together and do a lot of damage as a team if you want.
You do a better job than I did.
I know, right?
Okay.
It's all galvanized.
And
No, you good.
Yeah, you doing this job, man.
so what are we doing with Mr. Gavin?
Set for trial.
You understand this will be set for trial. You understand what you're facing here. If found guilty, right? Mr. Galvin, does he speak fluent English?
Oh, yes, sir.
Oh, okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. This is there was an attempt to try to resolve this.
I think it's news to him, Judge, and kind of in shock right now. I'm gonna explain it to him.
Okay, it'll be set for trial. If y'all change your mind, let me know on how we dispose it. But otherwise, like you say, it's almost 2 years old. It needs to move forward one way or the other. Okay, please get a reset. Thank you. Yes, sir. Otis Pollard.
He's here.
2 cases. You're Mr. Pollard? Yes, sir. Pollard?
Yes, sir.
The accent is on the first syllable. All right, you're charged with 3rd-degree felony of unlawful possession of a firearm by a felon in 25 CR 138. And in 25 CR 139, that indictment alleges that you committed the state jail felony of theft. So you were looking at up to 10 years in prison in one case and up to 2 years in state jail on the other. So that's serious. What are we going to do?
Just can I have just one more announcement on him and I'll be ready. Just one.
How much time is that?
The normal, whatever your normal is.
You're in the criminal district court. There is no normal in this building, in this room, as you know. Is 4 weeks good?
That's cool.
Oh, good. Thanks. Chastity Rashton,
That's
get a resetting.
that's gonna be disposed of. I think the state is taking care of that.
This
She's
is gonna
here.
be refiled to a misdemeanor.
Okay, there isn't a lesser included we can do on this?
No, Your Honor, not with the way that it's alleged in the indictment.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
We'll do 1 week. They give them time to do it. That's enough time.
Oh, this is just a review. You're going to end up doing it in misdemeanor court, right?
That's fine.
Is that right?
Yeah. We would just need to place this on a docket for dismissal once the misdemeanor is pled to.
What we're going to do is just put on a review docket in 2 weeks.
That's fine.
2 weeks, we can know it's going to be done.
Thank you.
Thank you. and Paris Ross.
That's sentence.
Get a resetting, lady, madam, right there. Thank you.
And Judge, in sentencing and out, I have just two character witnesses, his mother and his sister, and it's not gonna be long. But he's here, and that's Mr. Ross, and then his mom and his sister is to the left and the right. Just come on the first row.